Hi everyone, this is Marissa. I am sharing with you right now a live preview of the instructional module that I've developed so far for this project. I built it using Captivate, and I like a lot of the interactive activities that are within Captivate. So I've tried my hand at it, and this is what I have. Some background information. This is a training that I eventually would like to implement for the campus. We have a program on campus called ODU First Faculty. This is where faculty volunteer to serve as mentors for our first generation college students. And we don't have right now an onboarding program for faculty who would like to be a part of this particular initiative. We have lunch and learns, but we don't have anything developed online, which a lot of faculty have actually requested. So this serves as part information, part training for faculty, hopefully. And so this is the beginning. You'll notice I have a menu at the top, and then I have within buttons throughout the body of the module to help faculty navigate. And so I have a welcome page. There's an overview about what to expect for this particular training module. There's more information about the training. This is more so about the learning goals for the entire training course. Eventually, this will be sort of a 5-module training program. But for right now, for the purpose of this class, I just focused on module number 3, which is mentoring approaches. And so faculty would click through each of the modules. Right now, what I'm struggling with the most is this sub menu that I have here in blue, navigating what could potentially be a larger training program that has 5 potential larger modules. This is what I'm struggling with right here, is how to keep this as organized as possible. There's a lot of text right now. I haven't really spent a lot of time with graphics and sort of the aesthetics of everything just yet. I wanted to make sure I had a lot of the content here, but nonetheless, faculty independently can go through this. They would click begin and begin the exercises that I have planned for them. They are usually some sort of introduction. They'll be learning about having mentoring conversations through this particular course, using YouTube videos, and then sort of reflection and response activities. And so I'm still playing with some of the quizzes or the interactive elements for Captivate. Some of them are working the way that I want them to, some of them are not. So if anybody out there has experience with Captivate, I'd love to get your input. But once a faculty member does, some sort of reflective activity, there's always some key takeaway before I move on to sort of the next thing. In this particular module, I'm teaching faculty 2 specific approaches for holding mentoring conversations. One of them is GROW, and the other one is appreciative advising. So I go through videos, and I asked faculty to respond to some of the activities that I have developed for them. In this case, this is a matching exercise. Appreciative advising is the other approach. They can learn more about appreciative advising and the other approaches through some of these interactive activities that they have within Captivate. And again, it's followed by some sort of reflection that takes place. In this case, it's a true or false, a series of true and false questions. Here's a final review of the 2 approaches that I teach. Again, another reflection. In this case, these are scenario-based, where they respond to questions in here. We dig a little bit deeper and respond to another scenario. I'm still trying to work out things like these little icons that keep popping up, and the text getting a little too small to fit everything on the screen. So if anybody has suggestions for help with that, let me know. And then they do one final review before they finish and end the actual module. One of the other things that I'm struggling with is my evaluation at this point is a Google survey, Google Forms. And I'm not quite sure how to bring faculty back from Google Forms back to the actual module within Captivate. So if anybody has suggestions for that, please let me know. And then the final screen for this particular instruction is to contact us before they exit into the rest of the training program. And that's all I have so far. So if anybody can provide some feedback, that would be fantastic. Thank you.